Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to show you some different kind of necklace. Here I am making with the silk thread beads and also some spiral beads and also with the lower lace. Okay, so I am using with the gear wire, which is 22 gauge. Okay, so silver color gear wire I am using, and back rope I am using. Here this is a adjustable back rope, and also you can change it, changeable adjustable back rope, we can say that. Okay, so here I'm using the pilers to lock the gear wire. Okay, so here I'm just trying to lock the gear wire with this back rope on the one side, so that it will be easy for me to complete the necklace very fast. Okay, so here I'm using the pilot to make it the tight. Here once I complete this tightening the backside rope, now I inserted one bead here. Okay, now I'm starting inserting the beads on the gear wire. Okay, one by one I'm using it. Here already I have wrapped the silk thread with two colors, red and yellow colors. Lower lace are very small. These are gold color lower lace. We have different colors of lower lace here, different colors, and also we have majorly we used to get these materials in gold and white color, but we have different colors like black, yellow, green and all. Okay, so here what I am doing, now start inserting one by one. At the edges I have used one bead, spiral bead. After that I am taking the bead caps. Okay, bead caps and one yellow color and one red color silk thread beads are there. In between that I am using a gold balls here. Okay, small gold balls. This is 2.5 mm, and again I am using bead cap, yellow color, and one side opening and inserting the bead, and one side closing this. Like this it will come as you are seeing here. Yellow color bead is not giving that much look, but red color is giving you proper look, because on red color is a dark color. On that, while when we are using the gold color bead caps, it give you a very elegant look. But once the design will complete, then you will get different look on the necklace. Obviously red and yellow is very nice combination, as well as red and white is a very good combination. Red and black also very good combination. If you want use to get this yellow color itself, then you can use yellow color, blue color is very good combination. Yellow green is very good combination. Yellow black is very good combination. Like that, yellow blue also very good combination. Like that you can change your combinations using while you are wrapping the threads. Okay, so only the pattern if you remember, then you can use the different colors. That will be that will the colors and the variation of the colors will give you a necklace look. The complete change will the complete look will be changed in the necklace. Okay, see here almost 2 inches 2.5 inches lower lace I have taken. 2.5 inches lower lace, it's around 25 to 50 grams are there. Okay, lower lace always will give you a size and also the weight. Okay, so I'm inserting directly, I'm trying to insert directly bulk of lower lace at a time. Okay, I'm just trying myself to do this because it's a lower lace, a very smaller one. Every time we cannot insert single pieces, we cannot insert bulk, we need to insert if you want to complete this, because this will give you around 2.5 inches pendant. Okay, if you want to make 2.5 inches pendant, then you need to take more lower lace. Okay, okay, so here almost little part is completed. I have to finish the 2.5 inches gap in between that, so that it will give you a necklace, at least a minimum size of the necklace. Okay, it's not neck based necklace. Okay, it's not choker, it's a necklace like this. So while we are working with this floor lace, it will take time. Okay, it's a time taking process, so you need minimum patience. Then only the look will give you a proper finishing. If you do very hurry burry, then it will not give you a very proper look. Also you will get irritated because floor lace are very smaller one, so that's why you need more patience. So here I have not done this much speed. Okay, in the video I just kept it time lapse, so that's why it's giving you this much speed. It took me around 45 minutes to arrange this, because it's not a thread, right? Some floor lace has gap, so once I inserted, they are coming outside, so that's why it took me 45 minutes. While we are buying also, it will be bulk, so we cannot see, these are very we cannot see the quality of the material also. Some kind of quality it will give you. Once we use, then only we will get to know how the quality is there. Okay, so I completed the same. Four colors are 4 color red and 4 color yellow. Again I am opening the gold bead I have inserted. Again I am opening the bead cap and inserting silk thread bead, and again closing that. The same process I have done. Okay, only the risk in this, only the time taking process of this necklace making is wrapping the silk threads and also inserting the floor lace. That's it, not much. Okay, so here almost done. Guys, if you like this pattern, and if you have done any kind of these necklaces, just message me on the Instagram. Okay, directly post it. I'll pick some different colors and different designs, whatever you have done, and I'll also show that pic in my video, another video, and I'll shout out your channel also. If you have any channels, or if you have any business, just let me know, so that I'll shout out. So here is the one. So don't forget to follow on me Instagram as Unique Model Arts. Okay, now it's finished. Then complete the process of the back rope. Another part, the second part of the back rope, you need to tie it. Okay, then once completed, your necklace is ready now. So that's it, guys. Hope you people will love this. If you liked it, please give a like button, and also comment below if you have done this design, and follow us on the Instagram. Who are seeing the first time in my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications and new ones. Thank you so much. We'll meet you with the next video. Bye bye, take care. Keep following the community also, you will get different videos over there.